In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Salesforce administrator. Salesforce administrator training. We'll follow a simple path. Start on Salesforce Trailhead, find the admin beginner trail, work through the lessons, practice what you learn inside Salesforce setup, especially user settings, and then apply for your certification. First, open your browser and go to Trailhead Salesforce's official learning platform. If you haven't used it before, sign in or create a free account so your progress, badges, and hands-on work are saved. From the home page, you're ready to search. Next, use the search bar and type admin beginner. You'll see learning results that group the foundational content for new admins. This is the curated starting point that builds your skills in the right order. Click into the admin beginner trail. On the overview page, you'll see the list of modules and estimated times. Topics typically include Salesforce basics, data modeling, security, user management, and simple automation. Open the first unit to begin. Now, work through the modules and complete the admin trail courses. Take your time, read the examples carefully, and finish each quiz. Most units include hands-on challenges that launch a Trailhead playground, a safe practice org linked to your account. Let Trailhead create one if you don't already have it. Do every challenge. The muscle memory you build here will pay off on the job and on the exam. Keep notes on key ideas like profiles versus permission sets, role hierarchy, data access, and record ownership rules. Earning the badges is your confirmation that you've understood the essentials. With the fundamentals in place, switch to Salesforce Setup and practice your knowledge in user settings. In your playground, click the gear icon, go to Setup, and open the Users area. Create a sample user, assign a profile, and add a permission set. Experiment with roles to see how visibility changes. Try common admin tasks, reset a password, freeze and deactivate a user, and review login history. Explore session settings and multi-factor authentication requirements so you understand how access and security are managed. Use login as when available to test the experience and then revert your changes so your org stays clean. When you feel confident, apply for certification. Visit the official Salesforce certification site, choose the administrator exam, review the exam guide and objectives, and register. Pick a test center or an online proctored option. Confirm your system check if testing from home, and schedule a date that gives you time to review. On exam day, pace yourself, read each scenario carefully, and trust the practice you've done. That's the path. Follow it steadily, and you'll be on your way to becoming a Salesforce administrator.